Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. Starting your wood flooring in the wrong part of your home can be a disaster. Today on Jones Knows, I'm going to show you exactly where to start your flooring.
It's so beautiful, you and me, we meant to be.
Hi, if you're new to the channel, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor. I've been doing this for over 20 years. In the videos, you'll see me and my two sons, who I'm teaching everything I know, hopefully. In today's installation, we're doing nail-down wood flooring. However, the same principles we're doing today in this installation apply to any type of flooring. From vinyl to laminate, it doesn't matter. So watch the video so you can find out where to start your flooring. So we're starting the nail down portion of the job today. First of all, let's go over what we're installing. We have a Bruce Armstrong 3/8 by 5-inch engineered wood floor. It is a hand scraped and distressed product. We're going to be using a Bostitch floor runner 18 gauge crown stapler made specifically for flooring. It actually shoots a staple right through the tongue on an angle. You'll never see it. It's a blind shot. When you start a nail down, it's important to consider a few things because you just don't want to start anywhere in the home. In our case, we have a staircase. So you always want to take into consideration the direction that the stairs are running. Our stairs are running this way. Therefore, it's highly recommended that we run our floor the same way as the stairs. Also, depending on the kind of staircase that you're going to install, you may or may not need to start either at the stairs or very close to the stairs to ensure that you have a full board across the top. In our case, we're not using traditional stair nose, so it doesn't matter as much where we start. Of course, we're going to want to be square so that we come up straight to the stairs. So getting back to determining where we want to start the floor, you have to first look at the whole job as an overall picture. When you work with flooring that have a tongue and groove like this, we're nailing into the tongue. Basically, we're kind of restricted to where we can nail into. Therefore, I can't nail into the groove side of the board. So in our case here, we want to start up against the far wall. The floor will go this way with the tongues facing out. When I come down a hallway like this, for example, my tongues are facing out. So now we have what's called a backfill. I have a closet that is on this side of the floor. To get into that closet, I need to go that direction, but I have a groove. So that limits me to what I can do. In our case here, I have what's called spline. It's fake tongue. It allows me to switch directions that I'm going with the floor. It's easy, it's good to use, but you don't want to have to use it all over the job. Therefore, when you're deciding where to start, you want to lay it out in a way that you won't have many of those backfills. We don't want to have 6 rooms that are behind us. It's just not productive. So keep that in mind when you're starting the floor. You want to get as much of the job in front of you, not behind you. In our case, in our overall layout here, besides that closet, I come down my hallway, I go into this room, I'll be up against this wall so everything's in front of me. This room right here is one of the only rooms when I come into it that is behind me. That's basically, besides that closet, the only place in the job that's going to be behind me, because same thing with this room. When I come in, I'm up against the wall here, and everything is this direction. So it's important to really consider where you're starting the job. It can be a real pain in the neck if you start in a place where the entire job is behind you or the majority of the job is behind you. If you take an extra few minutes, put a lot of thought into where you're starting, it makes things a lot easier and your installation will go nice and smooth. It's a lot of information, but the point of this video is, no matter what kind of floor you're installing, try to make sure you lay it out so most of it is in front of you. If you're doing laminate or vinyl, it's just a lot more difficult to go backwards, so you want to try to avoid it if possible. If you're doing nail down wood, make sure you buy some spline, because that's the only way you can reverse your flooring. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. We have lots of other videos, from how-to flooring and stairs to product reviews on vinyl and laminate, as well as some having fun videos where we do some story times, travel, and of course my favorite, funny cat videos. Be sure to take out your favorite flooring mallet and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future videos.